Hi everyone, my name is Sandhya Jangra and currently I am sitting in Tata Tigor. I have come to Orchis Powai wherein I got my steering as well as the car seat cover work done. You can see the quality, you can see how beautifully the car color is matching the interior design of my car. They've given me a perfect recommendation and also the quality of work that they have delivered, it is certainly top notch, and in terms of their craftsmanship, their treatment, the professional guidance that they have given me, plus in terms of the affordability factor, I would definitely give them a 10 on 10, and this is a highly recommended place. Thank you.